Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a handy kit designed to make changing guitar strings much easier and faster. This particular set is centered around a 3-in-1 tool that combines a string winder, a string cutter, and a bridge pin puller all into one compact unit. The idea behind this tool is simplicity and efficiency, aiming to speed up that often tedious process of replacing old strings. Let's talk about the clippers on this tool first. They are made from high-hardness carbon steel, and they feature sharp, effective scissor tips. The description says they can easily cut through all sorts of strings, whether they are thick or thin. A key point mentioned is that the blade fits tightly, which means it can cut even the thinnest number 1 string without any issues like jamming. That's a crucial detail for any guitarist who has struggled with dull or poorly aligned cutters. The overall design of the 3-in-1 tool is kept simple and its size is small. This makes it really easy to carry around. Whether you're at home, getting ready for a gig on stage, or working in a recording studio, this tool is designed to be there for those emergency quick string changes you might need to make on the spot. Its portability is definitely a major plus. Beyond the main tool, this kit comes with a good selection of accessories. It includes 12 acoustic guitar bridge pins, split evenly between ivory and black colors, giving you options or spares. You also get 2 sets of guitar saddle and nut, one in ivory and one in black, which is great for replacements or trying out different materials. For playing, there are 6 guitar picks of different thicknesses, catering to various playing styles. To keep those picks organized, a leather guitar pick holder is included. And to keep your instrument looking good, there's a piece of instrument cleaning cloth. Everything in this guitar string changing kit comes a box. This box serves a practical purpose, helping to collect and keep all these small items together. It makes the whole kit very suitable for carrying around, ensuring you have everything you need in one place when it's time to change strings. It also makes it a really thoughtful and practical gift for any guitar player. The combination of the essential 3-in-1 tool and the useful accessories packed neatly in a box seems like a solid setup for maintaining your guitar.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.